everyone. I hope you are all having a great week. Today we are going through our last lesson on chapter 4, and we are going to be talking about analyzing and interpreting scatter plots. So first, in this first video, we're going to be talking about outliers. So an outlier is an extreme point in the data set that is significantly far away from all other data points. So an example here, I see that all of my data points are kind of making a line right here. They're all really close together. But then I have this random data point that is completely out of the way. So that would be my outlier. Basically, an outlier is one that does not follow the pattern of all the other points. So let's go through an example. So here it says identify the outlier present where x is the number of attempts. I'm going to go ahead and underline that. And y is the number of hits. And then I'm going to say what is the context of the outlier. So looking at this scatter plot, I see all of my points are kind of making this line right here, but then I have that data point right there. And I see that it is further away from all of the rest of the data points. And I see that that is at 40 and then 5. And then it asks me to say what is the context of the outlier. So what does this point mean in this context? Well, I know that x is the number of attempts. I see that down here too. Number of attempts. And so that is my 40. My 40 is my x, 5 is my y. So that means 40 attempts. And then 5, that's my y, and that is my number of hits. And so that means 40 attempts resulted in 5 hits. So always remember that first coordinate's your x, the second coordinate's your y. X was my number of attempts, so I had 40 attempts. Y was my number of hits, so I had 5 hits. Okay, that's it for this video. You can go ahead and move on to the next one.